Hello everyone, I'm Mahesh Kumar and welcome back to this series on AI product engineering. Today we are going to learn about how to install Python. Python is very important programming language in the world of AI. Verify the installation from the terminal in VS Code, check the Python version, understand why Python is most important programming language for AI, Gen AI, agentic AI, etc. and etc. Okay, so let's get started. So, what is Python? Python is one of the world's most popular programming languages because it is very simple, it's agile, it's lightweighted, it's powerful enough to build, from simple to complex uh, apps, projects. Okay, all machine learning applications use Python programming, agent, AI agents, chatbots, RAG systems, data science applications, even the large language models. Today, every application you find is actually written in Python. Okay, so Python is very very important, and especially for us, the AI engineers, we have to learn it. So there is no other go. Of course, there are many other languages, but Python is actually a very solid programming language, very easy to understand. Once you understand the basics of Python programming, that's it. You are actually good to go into the world of AI and explore different things there. Okay, let's get started and let's see how we can download the Python programming language. Okay, okay. Now let's see how we can actually download Python programming. So first we need to do is we have to go to this python.org/downloads. Let's see here. Okay, so this is where it is. And as you can see, this is the main page of the Python official website. And you can see here like active Python releases, right? So it started from Python 4.7 all the way up to 3.16. But make sure that you are downloading the stable version of the Python, which is 3.14. Suppose like you're building a project, sometimes you have some dependencies which work only uh, with the earlier versions of the Python. Say for example, some applications they work only with 3.11 version or 3.12, so that you just need to check, and then once you have this dependency manager installed uh, on your machine for that particular project, that will handle that. So no need to worry about it. But we just want to download the 3.14 version for now. Okay. So let's scroll down and see the versions here: 3.15, 3.14, 3.13. Okay. So just click on the 3.14 version. Hit download. Okay. See. Let's go to the download all the releases. Let's see, download Python Installation Manager or get the standalone version. Okay, it's right here. Okay, click on that and it starts to download and open. Click on it and that's it. Since I have installed, right? I mean, I'm not installing again, but as you can see, it is very easy to install. Okay. So now that we have installed Python, so let's see if it is installed on our system. To do that, let's open VS Code and go to the terminal. Okay, so you can open the terminal by using control and then tilde, control plus tilde command. So now you just type Python, one second, Python hyphen version. So you can see that it's 3.14.4. And also along with the Python, there is a package manager that gets installed, which is useful to install additional libraries when you do the projects, right? So it is called pip hyphen version. So it is 26.1.1. Sometimes you have to update this package manager also. Okay, if it is, say for example, tomorrow if it releases 27th version, then you just have to update the pip package manager also in Python. Okay, So that's about it. So we have seen how to download Python and install it in the VS Code and check the versions, right, of Python and the pip. So that's all in this short video. Stay tuned for more tech topics from me. Thank you, bye bye. And if you like my channel, please support it. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.